Here we have not tried to glorify or agree with all the points mentioned in the document. The following video series is a factual translation of Chanakya Niti. Many of his niti are still relevant to our time, but many of his niti does not imply as righteous from moral ground and living perspective, but it will definitely help you all to understand the people mindset and how the powerful man had implied such discriminating teaching as a life lesson.
Chanakya Niti, Chapter 3. In this world, whose family is there without blemish, who is free from sickness and grief, who is forever happy. A man's descent may be discerned by his conduct, his country by his pronunciation of language, his friendship by his warmth and glow, and his capacity to eat by his body. Give your daughter in marriage to a good family, engage your son in learning, see that your enemies come to grief, and engage your friends in dharma. Between a rascal and a serpent, the serpent is the better. The serpent strikes only at the time when he is destined to kill, while a rascal at every step. At the time of pralaya, universal destruction, the oceans are to exceed their limits and seek to change. But a sanity man never changes. Do not keep company with a fool, for as we can see, he is two-legged beast. Like an onsen throne, he persists the hurt with his sharp words. Though men be endowed with beauty and youth, and born in noble families, yet without education, they are like the polished flower, which is void of sweet fragrance. The beauty of a bird cuckoo is in its voice. That of a woman is in her unalloyed devotion to her husband. That of an ugly person is in his scholarship, and that of a ascetic in his forgiveness. Give up a member to save a family to save a village to save a country, and the country to save yourself. There is no poverty for the hardworking. Sin does not attach itself to the person practicing yajna. Those who can be silent have no quarrel with others. They are fearless who remain always alert. What is too heavy for the strong, and which place is too distant for those who put effort? What country is foreign to a man of true learning? Who can be inimical to one who speaks pleasingly? As a whole forest becomes fragrant by the existence of a single tree with sweet-smelling blossoms in it, so a family becomes famous by the birth of a virtuous son. As a single withered tree, if set aflame, causes a whole forest to burn, so does a rascal's son destroy a whole family. As night looks delightful when the moon shines, so is a family gladdened by even one learned and virtuous son. What is the use of having many sons if they cause grief and vexation? It is better to have only one son from whom the whole family can derive support and peacefulness. Fondle a son until he is 5 years of age, and use the stick for another 10 years, but when he has attained his 16th year, treat him as a friend. He who runs away from a fearful calamity, a foreign invasion, a terrible famine, and the championship of wicked men is safe. He who has not acquired one of the following: religious merit, wealth, satisfaction of desire, or liberation, is repeatedly born to die. Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, comes of her own accord where fools are not respected, grain is well stored up, and the husband and wife do not quarrel.